Duduzile Zuma, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, and the people on the X app reacted on the statement that was said by former President Thabo Mbeki about former President Jacob Zuma. Mbeki said he destroyed SARS when he was the president of South Africa. People dragged Mbeki for insulting MK president. Duduzile took it to her X app and posted an article that dates back 2008 where a lot of people died because of AIDS. The article stated that Mbeki AIDS policy led to 330,000 deaths and captioned "the educated so and so forth." Another one posted an article from 2016 that showed the records of SARS where it collected more than R1 trillion in taxes, and it was for the first time in history, and wrote, "We are told Mbeki, the cocaine addict, holds a bachelor's degree in the economist. He says President Zuma destroyed SARS, but fails to mention that for the first time in history, SARS collected R1 trillion in the tax revenue." Vote MK 2024, Thabo Mbeki, ARVs. Another one posted the alleged crimes of the former president. The statement said the Bosasa corruption deals happened between 2002 to 2008. SAA was collapsed by Coleman Andrews in 1999 to 2001. HIV and AIDS, denialism over 300,000 deaths. Gupta's, his close friends got SA citizenship in 2000. Arms deal corruption. The SARS rock unit was established in 2007. Shut down colleges and SOEs. Privatized ESCOM. Caused division in the ANC. Abused and rejected Mama Winnie Mandela. Abused his powers. NPA and Scorpions. Rejected the ANC after defeating Polokwane. Refused to campaign for the ANC. Why now, when he rejected the ANC? What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.